Unboxing my Faber-Castell Loom Fountain Pen. Why do I like fountain pens? Because it is elegant and it lasts a lifetime if you take good care of it. It is reusable, unlike disposable pens that eventually end up in landfills. The Faber-Castell Loom is made from aluminum. But before using the pen, I have to flush out the oily stuff that they spray for corrosion prevention. Here, I just load and unload the pen with soapy water. I repeat the process several times and then I rinse it with clean water. I wipe it dry with facial tissue that doesn't leave fibers. Then, I fill it up with new ink that I also bought from Everything Calligraphy. Then finally, I clean the exterior of the nib. This is now ready for writing. Feathers shall raise men as they do birds, towards heaven. That is, by letters written with their quill. This is my favorite quote by Leonardo da Vinci. But did you know that Leonardo da Vinci writes backwards to solve the problem of wet ink smudging on paper because he is left-handed? Well, now you know.